So before you dismantle it, the equipment you need is a Phillips screwdriver, a 13mm spanner and an 11mm spanner. And then dismantle it, it's only 2 screws on the housing. And then the bottom cover slips off. Alright, and to take it further, there's 4 nuts around the outside. You've got all the nuts and the washers off. You'll see there's a cutout in this top housing, alright, which if you turn the propeller around so that it's square on, that'll come up. Turn the propeller square on, and then it'll slide off, and then you're ready to go. The next procedure is your 11mm spanner, and take the top washer off and the propeller. Before it goes back on the new motor, you check the propeller to make sure there's no nicks or breaks in it. This one looks fine, so it's ready to have the replacement motor. So now you've got your replacement motor. You remove the new propeller bolt. Always make sure you use a new one, not the old one. Then remove the nuts. Always use the new ones, not the old ones that you took off. And remember to take off all the washers. Don't leave them on, otherwise the head will sit crooked. Alright, so then you grab the propeller, push it in, you take your top, disregard the old bolt, it's got a bit of plastic on it, using the new one, put it in and tighten it down. Just, you can hold your thumb on the propeller and just tighten it up. It doesn't have to be dead tight because of the way it spins. It tightens it. You've got a bit of material that's fallen off the propeller. Just make sure you get rid of all that before you put the head on, because you need to make sure the head sits flush. Then with the propeller in the straight there, and this cut out, you come from behind, put it in, and it should drop straight over the top. And you put your washer on and your nut. And you do that to all 4. So I've done all the 4 nuts and I've done them finger tight. Alright, and then I put, using the spanner, a couple of turns, and you do each of them a couple of turns each all the way round, because you want the head to go on evenly, not crooked. So you can feel it bite. It's biting. Alright, so they're all down the same and they're all firm. And I just have a quick look round just to make sure they're all sitting the same. Yes, they are. So the head's gone on even. Then I put my hand down the top, on the top of the plate, and I just spin the propeller, and I can't feel it binding or touching on the sides. So that's fine. Now we've got to put the bottom shroud on. Tip this upside down. Get the other end of the cord. Place it through. You'll see a notch in the top of the bottom cover. You bring that round to where the hose, where the lead comes in and out, and then down the bottom you'll see where it lines up with the two holes. You put your self tapper back in this side. Same the other. Just put them in nicely and then do them up. Because they're self tappers, they'll find themselves in the right position. And there you go. One replacement motor ready to go.